Hey, what's up? Troy Barco, 487 News. Just put the power steering pump back on. Thanks, Aiden, for taking pictures. Took me about 4 hours to do it. But what's up with these cold starts? Everybody's doing cold starts. I don't get it. You know, do you think your cam hits harder because it's running cold and on 4 cylinders? You think you got more compression in your motor because it's barely running? You know, I don't know. I think when you do it, your car sounds like shit, but I'll do one for you just to make you happy there, bud. Let's see here. There's no reason behind it. There we got yellow in there. What do you see here? Power on, ignition, fuel pump. A couple minutes here. Get this baby to go. My battery is dead. Got the automatic shifter put in there. Hayden did that. Got a helmet hook going on there. There's your cold start. I don't know what the big deal is, but there you have it. I don't know. I think it's no big deal. What we got over there? Alright. We gotta wipe this baby down and get her cleaned up. We'll catch you later. See ya.